Did you know that according to a recent study, an average person is productive for just 2 hours and 53 minutes in an 8-hour workday? Quite surprising, isn't it? Yet it's a reality for many of us. So, how can we make the most of our time and increase our productivity? The answer lies in a simple yet effective technique called the Pomodoro Technique. Imagine you're a chef. You're preparing a meal that requires precise timing for each ingredient. You set a timer for each one, ensuring none of them overcook or undercook. The Pomodoro Technique works in a similar way, but instead of cooking, we're managing our time. Here's how it works. First, identify the task you want to complete. This could be anything from studying for an exam, working on a project, or even cleaning your house. Once you've selected your task, set a timer for 25 minutes. This period of dedicated work is what we call a Pomodoro. During this time, focus solely on your task. Do your best to avoid any distractions or interruptions. When the timer rings, stop working. Take a short 5 to 10 minute break. This is your time to relax and rejuvenate. Think of it as letting your meal cool down before you dig in. It's an essential part of the process. After your break, reset the timer and dive back into your task for another 25 minutes. Repeat this cycle until you've completed 4 Pomodoros. Then, instead of a short break, reward yourself with a longer 20 to 30 minute break. This is your time to relax, recharge, and reflect on your progress, akin to enjoying the meal you've worked hard to prepare. The beauty of the Pomodoro technique is its simplicity and flexibility. You can adjust the lengths of your Pomodoros and breaks to suit your needs and work rhythm. Think of it as a recipe for productivity. It might seem strange at first, but once you get the hang of it, you might just find yourself accomplishing more than you ever thought possible. So why not give the Pomodoro technique a try? After all, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Try it, experiment with it, and see how it works for you. And don't forget to share your experiences, because the more we share, the more we learn. And who knows, your story might just inspire someone else to discover their own recipe for productivity.